Hey there, so here's Abide app, meditate on God's Word. Start your day with powerful morning prayers, be refreshed with daily devotionals, and fall asleep to Bible verse meditations at night. So here's the app. You can just go to abide.com. I don't think that there is like iOS app, Android, or maybe there is. Like if you just go here, you can just tap continue, but nope, it's only create an account in the web app. All right, so here is actually an iOS app. So there you have it, Bible meditation sleep, 120,000 ratings. So yep, I wasn't correct. So it's available on iOS. So yeah, it's pretty cool meditation app, Christian meditation app, alternative to calm.com or some other apps. But this app has a specific niche, which is just basically
Hello, and welcome
a specific
at
Christian
Abide.
meditation.
We want to help you relieve stress, reduce,
And then you just select all of these things, these categories, and then you can see that yearly it's $40 per year. So it's kind of not cheap, not expensive. It's basically what these apps cost, but monthly is $8. And then you can just sleep better,
now sit.
have some nice meditation stories. But again, they are all Christian based. So it's not, of course, there are some like just general stories, but there is like a daily Bible and stories from the Bible and all of that. And then you can see a lot of meditation stories and meditation guides and just Bible reading. So, yep, this kind of an app which you can give and try out.